Aside for them right now, they present for and I greet them. Aside, we are tell about Top Chef. How to tell about Top Chef, we not talk about no Flap Chef. We are tell about Hot Chef. As I say right now, they represent for life of a Jamaican chef. Really with a side. Life of a Jamaican chef and another regular type of Jamaican chef. You see me I say, and if you disbelieve, go on over YouTube, go and go pray the thing, like the thing, share the thing, subscribe to the thing. You see me I say, the channel name Life of a Jamaican Chef, another regular type of Jamaican chef. And me say, I need Beverly loose. Watch it when them a lead out, them a do it now, them a say when them a repost.
Alright, so it's a theory question out, isn't it? Nothing not change. East side scenery. I represent for my bridging, Chef Henry, isn't it? Over YouTube channel. One of the people them check it out. Them life of a Jamaican chef. Like, comment, subscribe.
Boom, bang, bang, up steady and ready now. You know a KB the Great. I'm a represent for Chef Henry. Someone, everybody go subscribe to him YouTube channel, Life of a Jamaican Chef. And if you's a girl and you can't cook, on him YouTube page you figure look. And if you're tired of the recycled cooking, make sure upon him page you book it, because you can learn some more creative things. If your birthday come up, you know what I mean, rather even your wedding, you can learn one and two things from him and get two ideas, or a few ideas, or even hire him. Definitely. So you don't know where they are to support the youth them. So I want you to do the same. You know what I mean? Young talented youth. Get a youth. Never make them tell you so you can't do it. Anything you want, youth work hard for it. Can't manage drive now. I'm per this. Me used to walk last week. Anything possible from you update. When we are put in the work, them a draw shit. Focus on your goal down. Lose the way like a last sheep. Tell them boom. Up steady and ready. KB. Great team.
Yeah man, I represent for me, brother Chef Henry. I have a YouTube channel called Life of a Jamaican Chef, is it? Where you can get the most authentic Jamaican dishes and much more. Dishes included. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And turn on the post notifications them so you can see when them drop a video and see creativity of a talented young Jamaican chef. One of the baddest young Jamaican chef right now, talented, is it? Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and join the So5 family. Have fun, is it? Yeah, heart of love.